Welcome to our latest video where we dive into the mesmerizing world of 3D printing. Whether you're a hobbyist looking to bring your creations to life, a professional seeking precision and reliability, or a newcomer curious about this revolutionary technology, choosing the right 3D printer is crucial. Today we're rounding up the top 5 best 3D printers that stand out for their exceptional quality, user-friendliness, and innovation. From intricate models to robust parts, these printers are game changers that redefine what's possible in printing technology. Stick around as we explore each printer's features, performance, and how they can fit into your creative space or professional workflow. For more such content, subscribe to our channel now and press the bell icon for regular updates. If you want to know more about the products or their latest pricing, links to all the products mentioned in this video are given in the description box below. Let's get started. At number 5, we have Creality SparkX i7. Dive into the world of 3D printing with the Creality SparkX i7, a gem that combines speed, versatility, and user-friendly features at an incredible price. Perfect for beginners and small workshops, this AI-enhanced FDM printer brings your colorful creations to life with its multicolor printing capabilities using the innovative CFS light system, reducing filament waste significantly. With a generous build volume of 260 by 260 by 255 mm and lightning-fast print speeds of up to 500 mm per second, the SparkX i7 ensures your projects are not only vibrant, but also swiftly brought to realization. The setup? A breeze. You'll go from unboxing to printing in just 5 minutes. Plus, its suite of smart features like real-time AI monitoring and automatic problem detection makes printing as easy as pie. Sporting a sleek design, this printer includes a vivid 2.85-inch color touchscreen and RGB lighting, making it not only functional, but also a stylish addition to any space. Whether it's crafting prototypes or unique art pieces, the SparkX i7 is designed to spark your creativity effortlessly. At number 4, we have the Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus, a top-tier FDM 3D printer that's grabbing everyone's attention with its impressive capabilities. Imagine having a spacious 320 by 320 by 385 mm build volume, allowing for grander and more ambitious prints. Whether it's large models or multiple small pieces simultaneously, the Neptune 4 Plus handles it with ease. Speed is where this printer shines. It can sprint up to a jaw-dropping 500 mm per second with a default of 250 mm per second. Thanks to its pre-installed Clipper firmware, you're also getting an astounding 12,000 mm per second acceleration. This means your prints are not just fast, they are also consistent and precise every single time. Another standout feature is its dual-gear direct drive extruder, which ensures smooth and reliable filament feeding, enabling the use of a variety of materials including PLA, TPU, and PETG. Plus, the automatic 121-point bed leveling saves you a headache, making setup and maintenance a breeze. All packaged in a CNC machined aluminum frame with powerful cooling systems and a user-friendly touch display, the Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus is ready to bring your creativity to the next level. This printer is more than a tool. It's your gateway to the endless possibilities of 3D printing. At number 3, we have the Bambu Lab H2S. Meet the Bambu Lab H2S. Not just a 3D printer, but a revolutionary personal manufacturing hub destined to ignite your creativity. Boasting a generous build volume of 340 by 320 by 340 mm, this printer outshines its predecessor, the X1C, by 120% in size, empowering you to bring even your boldest ideas to life. But it's not just about size. The H2S dazzles with a blistering 1000 mm per second maximum speed and exceptional precision. Imagine whipping up designs 30% faster than comparable models, all while maintaining impeccable detail with sub-50 micrometer precision. The versatility of the H2S is truly something to chat about. From PLA to fiber-reinforced materials, this printer handles a wide range of media, making it perfect for diverse projects, whether they're durable, functional parts or intricate, decorative pieces. And let's not forget its multifunctional prowess. Equipped with an optional 10-watt laser module, the H2S transitions seamlessly from printing to cutting and engraving, offering amazing flexibility. Safe, precise, and incredibly fast, the Bambu Lab H2S is your go-to for expanding horizons in 3D printing and beyond. Embrace the future of personal manufacturing with a machine that's as ambitious as your imagination. At number 2, we have the Qidi Q2. Dive into the world of 3D printing with the Qidi Q2, a revolutionary tool designed to bring your creative visions to life right from the comfort of your home or classroom. This impressive 3D printer offers a generous 270 by 270 by 256 mm build volume, providing ample space for all your projects. Its Core XY motion system enables rapid movements up to 600 mm per second, making the Q2 not only swift but also incredibly precise, reducing imperfections and ensuring smooth finishes on every print. The Q2 doesn't just excel in speed and precision, it's also built for versatility. With a maximum hot-end temperature of 370 degrees Celsius and compatibility with a wide range of materials, from PLA to carbon fiber reinforced polymers, this printer can tackle almost any project you throw its way. It even features an AI-powered 1080p camera for monitoring your prints, and a 3-stage air filtration system to keep your environment clean and safe. Whether you're a hobbyist or an educator, the Qidi Q2 is your reliable partner in bringing innovation and creativity to life. Finally, at number 1, we have the Bambu Lab P2S, a compact Core XY 3D printer that packs a serious punch in its enclosed space. Ideal for everything from prototyping to creating stunning multicolored artworks, the P2S stands out with its high-capacity 256 by 256 by 256 mm print volume. Immerse yourself in a seamless experience with its 5-inch touchscreen that feels as intuitive as your smartphone. But where this printer truly shines is in its innovative features. Imagine printing up to 20 colors seamlessly with its multicolor support, and never worry about failures thanks to its cutting-edge AI detection system. The P2S doesn't just print, it impresses with a powerful PMSM servo extruder, boasting a whopping 8.5 kilograms of force for consistent and reliable extrusion. Whether you're working with engineered filaments or simple PLA, the adaptive airflow and textured PEI heated bed ensure top-notch results. Quiet, efficient, and user-friendly, the Bambu Lab P2S is your go-to for pushing the boundaries of 3D printing. That's it for today, folks. If you find the video helpful, please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thanks for watching.